Hey, so what is up guys, my name is Struff here, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a nice day and safe in this global pandemic. Today I'm gonna be creating a logo in Photoshop for a friend of mine. He has like this watch company and he wants me to create a logo for his Facebook page. So let's get started. Okay, so let's first open up Photoshop. Now I know logos are actually created with Adobe Illustrator because you have vector images, which means even if you zoom all the way in, you won't lose a little bit of quality. But I'm gonna be using Photoshop in this example because I don't really know how to use Illustrator. And it will be Pro Photo RGB. Okay, Pro Photo RGB color profile has much wider colors compared to Adobe RGB, but if we upload it to other social media sites, the colors will compress. Okay, but still I want to create the full quality version. Now he told me what kind of logo he wanted. Let me see. Okay, so these kind of logo, all right, with W and L. Okay, so logo WL. Let me get some inspiration. Okay, this one is also cool. This one isn't really that cool. So the first step is getting inspiration. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay, I guess I'm gonna make a mixture of this one, and this one. Okay, that's cool. Let's change its color. And to get good colors, I search for material blue colors because that will give me some really good colors. Let's search for something like this, I guess. Okay, we can change the color later. Now let's add text. The L does not look good because if you notice, these two do not have the same height. We can keep this simple, or we can have one at top and one at the bottom. So let's do that. And I would like to remove these. That works. Let's get rid of this one too, just like that. Remove it like that. Not actually white. How about my favorite black color? Whoa, this does not look bad. Let's create a shape like this. Control T, rotate it like this. Whoa, yeah, I still don't think this red colors aren't what they are supposed to be. Delete this part. No, not delete. What should I do? Add in blue. Yep. Okay, let's save that as another one. I guess the last one is the best one. Alright, so guys, that was all from in this video. These are the logos I made, and let's see which one he likes. So if you want to see more of these kind of stuff, me just creating logos, video editing, I'm also going to be participating in the 72-hour challenge of Peter McKinnon. So subscribe if you want to see my video edit, my workflow, and my everything on that, color grading and everything on that. And I make tutorials and vlogs and these kind of stuff on color grading, video editing, photo editing, and all this creativity stuff. Okay, so my name is Struff here. Peace out.